How to download Hamster Kombat app on your phone. Hello world, welcome back to my channel. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily download Hamster Kombat app on your both iPhone and Android phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes. So at first, you need to have your Telegram app on your phone. If you don't, just download it by going to your App Store or Play Store. After that, open the Telegram application. Then tap on the search icon on the top of your screen and type Hamster Kombat. After that, tap on the official Hamster Kombat verified account from here. Next step is to tap on the start button at the bottom. Now everything is ready. Just click on this play in one click option. After that, tap on start button. Now you can see the Hamster Kombat application has been successfully opened and you can start using it. Click on this arrow button to see the instructions. Now you can start tapping on the screen to start earning coins. In the mine section at the bottom down below, you can buy upgrades to help you earn more coins. There is also the friends section at the bottom of your screen and also the on section through which you can perform tasks and earn fast more coins. If you find this video helpful and if you also wish to do something good for me, then please don't forget to subscribe and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.